Our goal here is not just to make you feel better. Our goal is to make you victorious. So once you've gone through phase one, your system is regulated, recalibrated, and you're able to discern the voice of the Holy Spirit again. We step into phase two, the activation lab. This is where we use the exact tools that we use to get you into a space of healing, and we transform them into weapons of authority. Phase two is incredibly exciting. If you have the idea, we will help you build it. This is where we go from purpose to impact because the world truly needs kingdom solutions. This is where everything you've been through comes together and where we trust the Lord to work all things together for good for those who love and trust Him. Your story, your experience, your gift and talents, all of that matter. All of that carries authority in the spiritual realm. And this is where we get to bless the world with what He's built in us. This is the space where you can collaborate with fellow members. We are a global community. So if you have ideas to expand your business into the international space, or you want to collaborate with someone in another country, then this is where we can do that. It is also a space where you can find mentorship and coaching, where we create together, we collaborate, and where we take those steps to see the progress. This is also the part of the program where you are more than welcome to share your products, your services, what you do, and also to have an impact. So this is how we release God's presence and power into our atmosphere.